In pictures, how people around the world are keeping fit amid the coronavirus crisis. In New Delhi, a man wearing protective face mask exercises inside a park after few restrictions were lifted during an extended nationwide lockdown to slow the spread of COVID-19 in New Delhi, India. In Redondo Beach, California, Pete Sampson leads a class at Inspire South Bay Fitness, with students behind plastic sheets in their workout pods, observing social distancing. A man lifts weights at a fitness center in Singapore. Singaporeans can now wine and dine at restaurants, work out at the gym and get together with up to 5 people after most lockdown restrictions were lifted on Friday. Instructors Giselle Pagliaro and Jesus Morenigo give a spinning class at a gym in Asunción, Paraguay. The government of Paraguay has started the third step of an intelligent quarantine that allows for the reopening of gyms and restaurants. An Iraqi Kurdish bodybuilder, Sardar Ismail, trains at a gym while clad in mask due to the COVID-19 pandemic in Erbil, the capital of the northern Iraqi Kurdish Autonomous Region. After months of lockdown, people are seen taking morning walks, working out in open gyms, and doing yoga out in the open, while maintaining social distance. Only some people are seen using a mask at RK Beach Road in Vishakhapatnam. A man trains in an outdoor gym on the Dolobetsky Island on the Dnipro River in Kyiv, Ukraine. Relishing an opportunity to exercise after a long lockdown, hundreds of Kyiv residents indulged in improvised outdoor workout on an island facing the Ukrainian capital. A woman exercises in Burgess Park in South London. In New York City, actor Mary Zaccanino and musician Sean Sheridan, wearing protective face masks, dance and record a TikTok video using a mobile phone in front of the Brooklyn Bridge. A man in the Yemeni capital Sana'a, wearing face mask as he trains at a gym. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.